Hi, it's Peter. Before I tell you today's book, have you brushed your hair, brushed your teeth, got your PJs on, like me, and just snuggled up in your bed? Right. Today's book is The Magical Fantastical Fridge. Autumn. Time to set the table for family dinner. Grandma and Pop are on their way. Oh man, so many plates. All the aunts and uncles and cousins. Why do we have to do this every weekend? Warden now, please. I'm Warden, the bandit. And I don't set boring tables in boring houses. I need adventure. I want to be anywhere but here. I wish I could just... Whoa! Hey, let go of me. Small but mighty. What's happening to me? Where am I? Mum? Dad? Wait, I'm in my own drawing? Hey, crayon monster, put away that sword. I drew you, remember? Stand back, crayon monster. If you come any closer, I will use my trusty slice of pizza. I'm going to fight a monster with pizza? Uh-oh, I'd better find a way out of here. Wait, that plane? Woohoo! Bye-bye, crayon monster. Hey, that's the old picture of Grandma and Pop from before I was even born. Maybe if I time it right and let go at the right second. I did it! Grandma, Pop. I'm so happy to see you. You're not going to believe. Hey, what's with all the monkeys wearing sweaters? It's not that cold. Get these monkeys off of me. I'll see you guys later. Like lots and lots of years later. The aquarium is where I want to be. Cannibal! Hi fish, water. What are you thinking about? Did I jump in here on purpose? I can't said everything. Oh boy, anything is possible today. I can't hold my breath much longer. If you know a way out of here, let me know. Excuse me, Mr. Pirate. Do you mind if I borrow your sword? I need fast. Hey, it's my library card. I'm making the letter X. I'm making the letter K. I wonder where this is going to take me. The library, of course. I go here with Grandma every Thursday. Let me climb up here and get a bit. Look. Oh, yum. Fried chicken. Wait, what? I'm a chicken leg. Oh man, what if someone gets hungry and hide? What if somebody gets hungry and eats me? I'd better hide. But where? Hold on, I know. To strike up party for penny bowling bit. Saturday, 3rd, 3 o'clock. Nobody can see me now. Spare time to strike up. A party for Penny's bowling bash. Saturday, December the 27th. 3 o'clock to 5 p.m. Union Square Lanes, NYC. Whoa! What's that rumbling sound? It feels like an earthquake. Don't use the ice machine, Mum. Ah! Crash! Oh no, I think I may pin in a strike. What's going on? This is shocking. The power is surging through me. Yikes, the static electricity is pulling me. Ugh. Toward my sister Celestia. It's like a jungle of hair in here. It smells nice though. Don't tell her I said that.